beautiful people? Welcome once again to hellohnclothing, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make different cup styles in a cup corset gown, dress, blouse, design. Okay, so we have a cup corset pattern we're going to be using, and on the cup I'm going to show you how to create different styles. Okay, and if you want to see how this video was made, please do keep on watching. I think you guys are more interested in patterns than in sewing. If you want to see the sewing of this video, leave it in the comments below so that I know that you will watch that as well. And without much rambling, let us dive right in. Okay, so I have a cup corset pattern here, my front and my back with the closure or the eyelets there. If you want to see a more updated recent video using a size 8 bodice, not mine, just let me know in the comments below. I'll just post that video for you because you know I'm good like that. Okay, so this is a cupped corset already made in a size 8 bodice. I have my cups, I have my darts where the stylines will be going. I also explained how to go about it if you need to put extra darts here. If you want to see, like I said, put it in the comments below. So what we are just focusing on in this tutorial is this cup itself. Okay, so the first type of style design in a cup is where the seam is passing right through the middle of the cup. So for instance, if I cut this part up, I cut this and I cut this and I sew it together, you know, the line will just be in the middle. So I'll be having something like this. Let me use my marker. I'll be having something like this, and like this. So I'll be having something like this for my style 1. This is the basic that comes with the cup. Okay, now let me get a paper that will be doing all this illustration. Now for the style 2, the style 2 is when you have, instead of the line going vertically, the line is now going horizontally like this. Okay, this is now for the style 2 where the line is going horizontally. There's a picture here so you can visualize what I'm talking about. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be sharing this part. So you're going to be sharing this part. It depends on the style actually. You can decide that you want it high up and this part here, or you can decide that you want it asymmetric. Okay, you can decide that you want it equal on both sides, so it depends on you. So for instance, let's do, first of all, you want it high up. If you want it high up, what you do is you kind of measure what you have here and you just do like half of it. So we can do from here, and it will go through, it has to go through this midpoint here. It has to go through that point, and from here you have to also measure, and you have something like here. So you now use your curve. Remember that this part will be the one that is going up. Use your curve, curve it, and use your curve to curve it. So this one is actually going to give you a style design that is going right across the bust. But what you're going to do is when you cut out this part, when you cut out this shape, you cut out all the cups, you are going to be using a sellotape to hold these two parts together. Hold those two parts together, and now the seam is in the middle. So this one will now become one piece, and this one is now one piece. Then we are just sewing right through the middle. Okay, so that's what you do for the style 2. Now for the style 3, the style 3 is such that you can have it this way. Then the joining cannot be at the bottom. This for the style 3. So if you want to do that, it's still building up on this one, so you're just closing this upper part and leaving this one open separately. Okay, then for the style 4, Style 4 could be that you're going to be draping right on the cup. So that means that you could have cut a pattern, put it down, then start draping, or do the cup already, put it on the mannequin, then start getting another fabric to drape right on that cup you have made. Okay, another style could be that it could come all the way from this top and go asymmetric. So you could have it coming from here. Let's clean this one. I'm just explaining how they get all the styles. So the fourth one is you could have it coming from here, asymmetric. It's going right through the middle and going all the way here. Okay, so depending on you, okay, remember to use your curve. I just drew the sketch. Please let it always go right through that bust point. You want it through that bust point, okay? You want it through here. You want it through here. You want to, and when you're doing this, so that you don't have any pointiness there, you try to take out more. So you can take out like 0.5 there, so that it's not sharp and pointy. So that means you're going to be cutting it across. You join this part with the paper tape and slash it through here, so that you have two pieces to join through that point for the cup. Okay, which other one? Yeah, this one is a very short tutorial. We're not talking too much here. So that is it for this style tutorial. Let me know if you want me to actually why I just decided to show you, for you to visualize it, is because you know that I'll have to have different patterns of different cups, draw all the cups, then start doing each of them individually. Okay, but if you want it more detailed, let me know in the comment below. But if you understand everything I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you really get all the gist, all the rap I've been saying since. Okay, and yeah, till we see in the next tutorial, guys. Stay safe, God bless you. Very quick one. Let me know if you enjoyed this kind of quick tutorial. If you've been looking forward to something quick and easy going like that, let me know in the comments below. Till we see in the next one. Also, guys, sorry, for the back, if you're doing the cup like that, for the back, remember that you can actually have this closure cut out, and your back, that part where your beautiful curve spine is really showing, like you're flattering us with your beauty body. Okay, so you're just removing this closure like so, and then you're going to be using eyelets to actually attach there, and straps to put it in place, like something that we have on this picture here. Okay, so there you're not using any closure, there's nothing covering the back is bare. We can see your beautiful god divine glowing skin, you know. And that is all, guys. That is all. So if it was quite understandable, let me know, like I said. And till we see in the next tutorial, stay safe, God bless you, bye.